Hi guys, welcome to Shifting Gears, and with me I have the 2022 Maruti Suzuki Baleno Premium Hatchback. इस गाड़ी की कीमत शुरू होती है फ्रॉम ₹6,35,000 एक्स शोरूम. प्रीमियम हैचबैक सेगमेंट में ये गाड़ी जो है इट राइवल्स द लाइक्स ऑफ Hyundai i20, Tata Altroz, Honda Jazz and the Volkswagen Polo. Maruti Suzuki का कहना है that this is an all new model, but as you can see the overall silhouette is very easily identifiable as a Baleno. इस गाड़ी पे काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस किए गए हैं. There is a lot that has changed on the outside, a lot of changes on the inside and a lot of changes under the hood as well. Even the body in white is very different compared to the outgoing Baleno version. So Maruti Suzuki claims that this car is also going to be much safer than previous Balenos sold in the Indian market. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं इस गाड़ी के एक्सटीरियर डिज़ाइन के बारे में. What are the features which you will see and notice when you first look at this car from the outside. इंटीरियर्स के लिए हमने एक अलग वीडियो अपलोड किया है where we talk about all the new features and the space management and practicality. And we will have two separate videos where first we talk about the petrol manual driving experience and we will have a separate video for the petrol AMT as well. That video is important because the Baleno now misses out on CVT और अभी आपको एक budget friendly AMT automated manual transmission gearbox option मिल रहा है. So now let's first talk about the features on the outside. Before we get to the features, let me first talk about the dimensions because there are a few changes. The overall length is 3,990 millimeters. Width is 1,745 millimeters. Height is 1,500 millimeters. Wheelbase is 2,520 millimeters. Boot space is 318 liters. This is a 5-seater premium hatchback. Turning radius is 4.85 meters and the curb weight of this vehicle ranges between 920 to 960 kilograms. अभी सामने से जब आप इस 2022 मारुति सुजुकी बलेनो को देख लेते हो, you will notice that the grille is all new. You get a very chunky strip of chrome and then you have this black plastic applique over here as your primary grille section. Feels good to touch as well and feels solid. एक बड़ा सुजुकी का लोगो आपको यहाँ पे नजर आएगा and then you have an offset positioned camera. इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको 360 डिग्री कैमरा सपोर्ट मिल रहा है. So this is your front camera. This is going to be very useful when you are moving your car in a tight parking spot. Just again have a look at this front grille. ये जो क्रोम है it enhances the overall width of the car और उसके वजह से ये गाड़ी जो है सामने से प्रीमियम नज़र आती है. But still there is not an overdose of chrome and I really like it. इसके बाद जब आप हेडलैम्प यूनिट देख लोगे, you have this new signature Nexa LED DRL pattern, 3 independent LED DRL position lamps and then you have an LED projector headlamp as well. हेडलैम्प क्लस्टर में आपको ब्लैक्ड आउट इफेक्ट भी मिल रहा है. इस हेडलैम्प का जो पूरा शेप है पुराने बलेनो से काफ़ी अलग है. लोअर डाउन यू विल नोटिस इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको एक LED फॉग लैम्प मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी बड़ा प्लास्टिक पैनल नज़र आता है. देयर इज़ अ बिग प्लास्टिक बेजल फॉर दिस फ्रंट फॉग लैम्प and you have chrome accents over here as well. You will also notice lower down on the bumper आपको ये black applique मिल जाता है for your air dam. Nicely done और design detailing जो है वो काफ़ी अच्छी है. Lower section of the bumper also looks good and you can notice there are noticeable cuts and crease lines over there because of which this Baleno gets a nice and dynamic appearance. Bonnet आप देख लीजिए पूरी तरह से अलग है. बॉनेट की पोजीशनिंग भी अलग है. इट फील्स अ लॉट मोर फ्लैटर देन द ओल्डर बलेनो and you have these crease lines on the side which adds a nice sense of premiumness because the design shows off quite well and this crease then runs across till the A-pillar of this vehicle. Also very quickly have a look at this new blue color. This is different compared to the previous Nexa blue and in my opinion this looks stunning. Now moving to the side profile of the vehicle, आप देख सकते हो इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको न्यूली डिजाइंड 16 इंच alloy wheels मिलने वाले हैं. These alloy wheels are shod with Apollo Alnac tires, and these tires are 195/55 R16 contact patch rubbers, and they fill up the wheel well area quite nicely. Under tired ये गाड़ी बिल्कुल भी नज़र नहीं आती है, and the overall alloy wheel design is also quite good. आप देख सकते हो साइड प्रोफाइल पे भी काफ़ी सारे कट्स और क्रीज लाइंस हैं. You will notice a crease line over this wheel arch. Then that same crease line runs along the doors, and then you have this particular crease line which starts from the headlamp, runs till the driver door, and then there is one crease line which starts from the rear door, and then it mingles with the tail lamp unit of this new age Baleno. Side profile pe other highlights include chrome accents on the door handles. ड्राइवर डोर हैंडल पे आप देख लीजिए, यू गेट दिस ब्लैक बटन. दिस इज अ रिक्वेस्ट सेंसर बिकॉज दिस कार कम्स विथ ट्रू कीलेस एंट्री. बी पिलर जो है ब्लैक्ड आउट है. यहाँ पे डोर ट्रिम पे भी आपको ब्लैकआउट टेप मिल रही है. यू हैव क्रोम एक्सेंट्स ऑन दी डीएलओ सेक्शन. विंडो सिल एरिया के नीचे आपको क्रोम एक्सेंट्स नजर आएंगे, बिकॉज ऑफ विच दिस बलेनो लुक्स लाइक अ प्रॉपर प्रीमियम हैचबैक. ऑल्सो नोटिस ये जो रियर क्वार्टर ग्लास है यहाँ पे भी आपको ये क्रोम एक्सेंट मिल रहा है. सो this design detail also stands out and it looks quite nice in my opinion. A pillar जो है इस गाड़ी का, यहाँ पे भी आपको blackout effect मिल रहा है, and because of which you get that floating roof effect. C pillar जो है वो blackout नहीं किया गया है, and this Baleno is not coming with a dual tone paint option as of now. You get a roof mounted antenna, and on the mirrors you get LED turn indicators, but the most important feature is the camera over here. यहाँ पे आपको पडल लैम्प नहीं मिल रहा है. You are only getting this camera because this is going to help in your 360-degree viewing angle. This is the side profile of the new age Baleno. आप हमें बताइए, क्या आपको ये गाड़ी अलग नज़र आती है? Do you think that when Maruti Suzuki is calling this an all-new car, does it look like an all-new car to you? Because that is more important. Do you think this is more distinct compared to the previous Baleno which was on sale? Now when you move to the rear end of this premium hatchback, there are a lot of changes over here as well, and I personally like the rear end design much better than the front end in terms of the changes that have been made. अभी सबसे पहले तो आप देख लीजिए, बम्पर पूरी तरह से नया बनाया गया है. The tailgate is completely new and there is a lot that is different over here. In fact, everything on the rear end looks completely different. सबसे पहले तो आप टेलगेट देख लीजिए. This metal section is all new. यहाँ पे ये पूरी तरह से अलग दिखता है पुराने बलेनो के कंपैरिजन में. You have this spoiler kind of an effect. This chrome applique on the tailgate. Suzuki logo के ऊपर आपको कैमरा नज़र आएगा. You have the Baleno branding over here. Then you will notice इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको एक rear wash and wipe दिया गया है. You get a roof mounted spoiler with a high mount stop lamp for safety. Just notice how the windscreen is raked over here. Then the tail lamp unit is all new. It is a nice and sculpted 3D looking tail lamp unit. ये एक LED tail lamp है, and similar to the LED position lamps on the headlamp, यहाँ पे भी आपको ये 3 elements नज़र आएंगे in the tail lamp cluster. Looks nice, looks detailed and looks premium for sure. बम्पर जो है just like the older Balenos, there is a lot of plastic section. काफ़ी बड़ा है ये बम्पर. Rear reflectors, rear parking sensors and a lot of cuts and crease lines over here as well. पीछे आप देख लीजिए, ये जो नंबर प्लेट हाउसिंग है यहाँ पे कोई क्रोम गार्निश नहीं है. This is a cutout to open the tailgate of this Baleno, and you will also notice that there is no chrome tip for the tailpipe. टेलपाइप फिनिश करने के लिए कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा फीचर नहीं है, एंड इट इज़ एक्चुअली नॉट visible too much as well. You will only see it when you try hard to look for it. So that's pretty much it. That is all that has changed on the outside of this new age Baleno, on this 2022 Baleno. There is one missing feature. This car doesn't come with a sunroof. The Hyundai i20 does. the Honda Jazz also comes with a sunroof. I think Maruti Suzuki should have added that feature so that this 2022 model would have been feature loaded with a lot of segment firsts, a lot of segment best features, and just everything that other cars also offer in the segment. But still, you let us know if you think this is a good looking car. You let us know if you think you will spend your money and bring this premium hatchback home. Compared to competition, क्या आपको लगता है this car makes more sense? Do check out the other videos which we have uploaded for this new age Baleno. If you have any other queries, ask me in the comments below. I will try my best to help you out. See you soon. Subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel. Press that bell icon. Always drive safe and always wear your seat belts.